morning students. Today we are discussing topic kidney information and internal structures. Look at here. Now in human beings there are a pair of bean-shaped reddish brown structures of kidneys and in the abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. Okay, I will draw a picture. So each kidneys have uh, this is your example. Uh, like that kidneys. This is dorsal body, back side. Example. Like that, this backbone, brain, backbone, is dorsal body wall here, like dorsal body wall, back side. Abdominal cavity is front side and dorsal body wall, back side, or presence of backbone. So that is he's attached of dorsal body wall. So one on either side of the backbone, they are kidneys. One on either side of the backbone, they are kidneys. The right kidney is placed slightly lower than the left kidney. So here the right kidney position of inner side, just beneath. Next, the size of kidneys. The size of kidneys. Each kidneys 10 centimeter length, 5 to 6 centimeter breadth, and 4 centimeter thickness. Look at here, the size of each kidneys. Each kidneys 10 centimeter length and 5 to 6 centimeter breadth and 4 centimeter thickness. Look at here, is the length. How much centimeter? 10 centimeter. And breadth is like that 5 to 6 centimeter and thickness. So 4 centimeter. So this is and I will draw the picture. See, look at this is so this is kidneys. So this is so each kidney is presence of abdominal cavity attached to dorsal body wall, and each kidney is size of how much 10 centimeter length and 5 to 6 centimeter breadth, and how much thickness 4 centimeter. Okay, that is now this is This is kidneys. This is we are drawing the picture. You also try the picture. This is kidney. Now this is a type of arches. I will tell after. We will see, observe how to I will draw. How to I will draw? We will watch it. Seriously observe. So, this is a type of. Now, okay, how much length? This is 10 centimeter length and 5 to 6 centimeter breadth and 4 centimeter thickness. So this is అంటే పొడవు అండ్ 5 to 6 centimeter అంటే వెడల్పు 4 centimeter thickness అంటే మందం అన్నమాట. Now each kidneys, look at now I am explaining only one kidney. Okay, each kidney is convex. Each kidney is convex on the outer side. So look at this one. Now here each kidney is convex. Okay, convex on the outer side. Convex is outer side and inner side. This is like that, spoon like that. Look at here. This is outer side convex and lower side concave. Okay, convex mirror, concave mirror is these names come in physics. Okay, so that is now each kidney is convex on outer side and inner side concave. Okay, each kidney is convex on the outer side and concave on the inner side. Convex on the inner side. And the right kidney, the presence of right kidney is slightly lower than the left side, left kidney, because due to the presence of liver above. I will draw the picture. Look at here. This is example. This is here presence of liver. The presence of liver. Presence of liver. Here a pancreas. This is a digestion system. Okay, digestion system. This is digestion system. Okay, this one. Okay, this is digestion system. Look at this is the most important question. The right kidney presence of slightly lower than the left side. Why? Because the presence of right kidney is lower than the left kidney. Presence of due to the presence of liver above. Why do presence of right kidney below? Because the right kidney presence of lower than the left kidney. How and why? Because due to the presence of liver above. Due to the presence of liver above only. This is 1 marks question, important. So many times asking in exam time. Okay, that is so presence of liver above right kidney. Okay, that is question. Look at each kidney is convex on the outer side and concave on the inner side. Okay, and the right kidney presence of left side, left kidney lower than the left side because due to the presence of liver above. Due to the presence of liver above, that is completed. Next, each kidneys. Okay, each kidney is in the look at each kidney's inner side as a hilus. As a hilus. This is the hilus or fissure. Or fissure. Fissure. Each kidney is in the has a fissure or hilus for the entry of artery. Okay, and this is entry of artery. Okay, renal artery. And exist of a renal vein. Exist of a renal vein from hilus or fissure. Okay, each kidney is presence of inner side has a hilus or fissure is called name hilus or fissure in middle place or inner place for the entry of a renal artery. Entry of a renal artery. The renal artery entry of a hilus and exist of a renal vein. This vein exist. Okay. Now the renal artery brings oxygenated blood and loaded with waste products. Loaded with waste product. And renal vein carry deoxygenated blood. Renal already have renal vein carries deoxygenated blood and the waste products generated in various organs of the body are filtered and removed by the kidneys. Look at once again. Each kidneys have in inner side hilus or fissure for the entry of a renal artery and exist of a renal vein. Renal vein exists. Renal artery entry into kidneys and exist from kidney. Renal vein carry deoxygenated blood from kidneys and renal artery brings oxygenated blood and loaded with waste products from body. Okay, this is next. Right. And now internal structures of kidney. Next, internal structures of kidney. internal structures of the kidney. Okay, it shows as a distinct regions, two distinct region, two distinct distinct region, two distinct region. One, okay, each kidney outer zone are called dark, okay, dark color. So this is total. Convex means convex only for like that spoon, like outside part, that is called concave. Inner spoon inner side place called convex. Sorry, convex, concave. Spoon outer side place, this is called convex, and inner side concave. Already have coming in physics. Next is dark color. This is each kidney are dark color outer zone, dark colored outer zone. So dark color outer zone are called cortex. Cortex, outer dark color. This is okay. Dark color. Which kidneys are dark color are called cortex, and inner side. This is inner side. Inner side. It's called this is inner called inner pale colored are called medulla. Okay. Once again repeat. Each kidneys dark colored outer zone are called cortex, and pale colored inner zone are called medulla. Next, yes, each kidneys are made up of approximately more than 1 millions of tubular structures, and tubular structures are functional units. Okay, each kidneys are made up of approximately more than 1 millions of microscopic tubular structures. That is, look at here, and outer side called outer zone, dark color. What that cortex, and pale colored inner zone, pale color. Okay, pale colored medulla. Okay, that is and the next one. Each kidneys are made up of approximately more than 1 millions of microscopic units. Approximately 1 million microscopic tubules. And thin tubular functional units are called nephron. This is nephron. Each kidneys is made up of approximately more than 1 millions of microscopic microscopic tubules, and thin tubular functional units are called nephrons or uriniferous tubules. Okay, this one. Nephrons or uriniferous uriniferous tubules. Nephrons are uriniferous tubules. Is microscopic tubule. Microscopic tubules. So many minimum 1 million microscopic units, microscopic tubules present in the kidneys. These nephrons made up of urine in all animals and humans also. Now, next class we will discuss nephron's internal structures and nephron functions and how to made up of urine system in human. We will see next class. Once again I will repeat. Look at in human beings they made a pair of being shaped and reddish brown structure. I will not write pear shaped pear bean shaped and reddish brown structure in the abdominal cavity. This is abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. Dorsal body wall means the back side of our waist. And the size of our kidneys 10 centimeter length and 5 to 6 centimeter breadth and 4 centimeter thickness. And outer side, each kidneys are convex. Each kidneys outer side concave and inner side concave. This is concave, inner side inside. This is outside. Okay. Each kidney is a convex outer of the place and inner of the concave. And next thing, the presence of right kidney lower than the left kidney because due to the presence of liver. Due to the presence above the liver, that is answer here. Next, each kidney is in the inner side. Each kidney's inner side has a hilus or fissure for the entry of a renal artery. Entry of a renal artery in the kidney and exist of a renal vein from hilus. The renal vein exists from hilus. Okay, and here this is ureter. Renal vein exists and ureter exists. Ureter carry urine from kidneys sent into uterus. That is okay. And renal artery brings oxygenated blood and loaded with waste product from body. And renal vein carries deoxygenated blood from lungs. Okay, and the waste product generating in various organs of the body are filtered and removed by the kidneys. Waste products and otherwise filtered, removed by the kidneys. Okay, that is next one. Internal structures. It shows two distinct regions. Dark color. This is dark color. Outer zone are called cortex, and inner zone in the kidney. kidney, inner zone. This is a pale color, not a dark color, a pale color, pale colored zone. This is inner side are called medulla. Okay, each kidneys are approximately made of approximately more than 1 million of microscopic tubules. Microscopic tubules like that nephron. Microscopic tubules and tubular functional units are called nephrons and uriniferous tubules. That is nephrons. That is nephrons. Here, look at some cup shape structures in the inner side. This is calyces. Cup shape like that is calyces. This is nephrons releasing outside. Okay, this is nephrons. Nephrons. Now we will discuss nephrons information and functional units. We will see next class. Okay, thank you. Screenshot తీసుకోండి.